Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max Bluetooth keeps disconnecting. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to solve your problem, to restart your iPhone, it can fix minor glitches. So first of all, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After starting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then forget your Bluetooth connection, and for forget your Bluetooth connection, simply open settings and then click on Bluetooth, and you can see the info option. Then click on info, and here you can see the forget this device. Then simply click on forget this device, forget, and then forget this device. After forgetting this device, you can pair again and connect it again your Bluetooth. So this is the way to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max Bluetooth keeps disconnecting. Thanks for watching this video.